Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris, and I had a question recently about how I add the closed caption at the bottom of my videos, and today I just wanted to go over about how we do that. So there's a couple things that we'll need. First off, we'll need a text document with our script, and we can see that here. We can see that this script is grammatically correct, doesn't have any errors in it, and that's really important because this is what we're going to be uploading into YouTube and then extracting the SRT file with. And then we'll also need the video that we want to upload into YouTube. So those are three things we need. We need the video, we need the script, and we need YouTube. So we go ahead, we just go through the process here of uploading a video. This should seem really basic to anyone who's done any YouTube or video marketing before. But we're just going to go through the process. I'm going to add in all the important information here. Let's make this look really good. Then we're going to open up the, again, this doesn't have to do with the actual extraction of the SRT file, which we're going to be using in just a second. I'm just trying to bring us through every step so that this is as comprehensive as possible. So there we go with the description. Then I'm going to jump down here. I'm going to grab some keywords. Boom. And then scheduling it. This video is going to go up on the 31st, so I'm kind of dating myself because if you're watching this after that time, you'll know what I'm up to, but that's okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a featured image here. Okay, cool. So then we just add when it was actually published. So great. So now we have everything that we need. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. I'm just going to go over here to Creator Studio. And this is where we actually get into making the SRT file and extracting it and things like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Subtitles here. We're going to click on Add New Subtitles or CC, which means closed caption. Hit English because that's what I speak. And then this is why we need a fully fleshed out and accurate script, is because this is what we're actually going to go ahead and upload into YouTube. So I'm going to hit on transcribe and audio sync, and you can just add the whole script there. And what this does is, I don't know the technology, but we're putting in the script itself that we used on the video, and then we're copying and pasting it in, and we're letting YouTube do its YouTube Google magic. And what that's going to do is it's going to time out all of the text that we have with audio based on also the text that we're putting in there that's machine read. So this is going to take a little bit of time. It's going through the settings and timing and things like that. But this is really the trick that I've found that allows me to extract an SRT file so that I can upload it into my video. So now that we have this done, the first thing we want to do is go in and hit the automatic text that Google puts. Now, I don't like this one because you can see that it's not capitalized correctly, so I just delete this draft, delete draft. And now this is the one that we uploaded recently, so I click on it. You gotta hit save changes. It's kind of back and forth, but you'll see. So you gotta hit save changes. Now that there's a little green dot, we can click on it again. Then you gotta go over to actions and then SRT. It's really important that we follow these steps because otherwise it won't be active, so we won't be able to download it and actually put the SRT file in our video. So I use this program called VideoPad Professional. It's not the most robust version, but it was 60 bucks and it works for me. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take the video that we want to use. This is the same one that we used uploading YouTube, but since I want to upload this to Instagram and have the captions on there automatically, we need to actually make it so it sits in the video. So once it's uploaded, then I just like to select all, go to Subtitles up here, and whatever the same process is for whatever video editing software you use, this is just what I use, so this is the process. I'm sure it's very similar for yours. Then I'm going to go to upload or load, And then I'm going to choose the closed captions. And it's really important, at least that I found, is that you got to select all on the subtitle list. And then you can see here in the preview that it's really big. I always bring it down to number 9. That's just what I found works best. And then you just hit apply, and then go over to export video. Let me just rename it. What is this? 3 tips. Boost SEO internal links. And then I just name it for Instagram, just so when I'm looking in Dropbox or Google Drive or whatever, I know where it is. So this is just going to go ahead and export now. Alright, great. So now we have the exported video with using the SRT embedded in that video, so it's going to show up with subtitles naturally. And we can see that by just clicking here. And as you can see, the SRT file is showing up embedded in the video. It's not perfect, but it's free and it's easy to use and it's quick to develop, and it really adds, I think, a lot of value to each one of my videos, so people can watch the videos and consume the content even when they don't have earbuds or earphones around. So go ahead and use this trick if you want. It took me a while to figure out, but I wanted to share it with you, and I hope it helps. And thanks a lot, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.